Hello respected teachers and dear friends, we are team 9 and you are watching our DIY project. So our team consists of Manusreehasa, Vijeta, Parth and me Nikhil. So let's begin our DIY project. So for our DIY project we have made a smart home maker which control your curtains through IR remote. So how we have achieved our project. So firstly I am going to explain like how we are getting the power supply to our smart home maker. I have connected this Arduino to the laptop to get 5-volt power supply which is powering our IR sensor, and also I have connected a 10-volt charger in my electric board from where I am powering my both the motors. So let's see what's inside a smart home maker. So we can see there are 2 transistors, 1 IR sensor and a Arduino Uno board, and all the wires are connected through a breadboard. So these jumble cables are then connected to normal wires which are then connected to the motors which are responsible for moving the curtains left and right, hence opening and closing the curtain. So let's first understand like how this is working. So as I have told you that the thread on the motor is pulling one end of the curtain and hence it is going to one side of the rod, hence opening the curtain, and when the other motor is operating, it is like when it is hence when the other motor is operating, we are closing the curtain and moving the curtain on the other side. One more observation that we can make is we are using small motors because these were the only motors present in our very easily available in our locality. So we are using these 2 small motors which will be pulling the curtain. So hence we are using only 1 curtain because 2 curtains will be too heavy for them to pull. And now I am checking the IR remote, as the camera can capture the IR rays. So we can see the IR emitter of the remote is sending IR rays out. So now I have configured the temperature up and down button of my AC remote to control the curtains of the window. So now I will press one of the button and it will give command to open the curtain, which is currently in half closed position. So as we can see, the curtains have moved, and hence our project is working and it is opening the curtains. Now I will try to push the other button and it will close the curtains once again back for us. So as we can see, the curtain has again moved to its original position, and as we can see, the curtain is not able to go ahead of that position. Firstly, because I have connected a thread to one end and which is like completely stretched, so it is not allowed to move. So it is not allowed to move ahead of that position. And let's have a closer look of the motor, look what it is doing. So like when the motor is rotating, it is like spinning the thread over it and hence shortening the thread, hence causing the curtains to move toward it. Same happens to the other side of the motor also. So this was our DIY project. Thank you for watching the end. Some behind the scenes.